Hey everyone, welcome back to another maths tutorial. In this lesson, we are learning about quadratic inequalities. A quadratic inequality looks similar to a quadratic equation, but instead of using an equal sign, we use inequality symbols like greater than, less than, greater than, or equal to, or less than, or equal to. For example, a quadratic equation might be x squared minus 9 equals 0, while a quadratic inequality could be x squared minus 9 is greater than 0 to understand how to solve quadratic inequalities. We often start by comparing them with quadratic equations. Let's look at the graph of y equals x squared minus 9. This graph is a parabola opening upwards. It crosses the x-axis at x equals -3 and x equals +3. These 2 points are the solutions to the equation x squared minus 9 equals 0, because they are where y equals 0. Now if we are solving the inequality, x squared minus 9 is greater than 0. We are looking for the regions where the graph lies above the x-axis, because above the axis, the y values are positive. You can see that this happens when x is less than -3, and when x is greater than +3. Similarly, if the inequality was x squared minus 9 is less than 0, we would look for the parts of the graph below the x-axis. That happens between x equals -3 and x equals +3. So the general rule is that for quadratic inequalities, we first find where the graph crosses the x-axis by solving the related quadratic equation. Then we identify whether we want the region above or below the axis depending on the inequality symbol. Greater than means above the axis, less than means below the axis. To summarize solving quadratic inequalities involves 3 main steps. Step 1. Write the inequality in standard form. Step 2. Solve the matching quadratic equation to find the roots. Step 3. Use the graph or number line to determine which regions satisfy the inequality symbol. That's all for this lesson on quadratic inequalities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more maths tutorials.